As parents, figuring out the most efficient way to do things is just what we do. Everything from ordering groceries to making sure everyone has clothes that fit, we're really good at finding ways to make life a little easier. But what about paying a babysitter? Did you know that if you pay more than $100 a week for childcare, you're a household employer and you probably owe nanny taxes? I didn't. And just like I don't have time to be a 5-star chef, I don't have time to be a tax accountant either. So now I'm using HomePay, the experts in household, payroll, and taxes. They've been around since 1992 and have worked with thousands of families to handle all of their federal and state payroll taxes. And they guarantee that your taxes are paid accurately and on time. It's so easy. All you do is sign up for HomePay online. Your caregiver's paycheck can be direct deposited, and you can access everything from your phone. You know how to get things done. With HomePay handling your nanny taxes, it's just one more thing taken care of. Get the help you need